multiplication and division with decimals. Now we will be dividing decimals. Before we were just multiplying. So my tip here's example 1. The easiest tip is that I have is move the decimal place over 1 and do the same. You always gotta do to one to the other to make it be the same problem. So now this is actually 45 and 15. Now we just need to find out how many times 15 goes into 45, because it can't go into 4, so let's see. 15, 30, 45. 3 times. We put the 3 over here. You got to be very careful when you're doing division with decimals, because you always move the decimal straight up. You got to, well, not straight up necessarily, but to the place in which it needs to be. You move it up to the required place, but normally it's just straight up. So you gotta be very neat and organized. Remember, if this number could have gone into 4, the answer would have gone up here. But since it went into all of them, it goes on to the last digit. And then in this one, 3 times 4.5, you divide normally. 3 to 4.5, 3 goes into 4 one time. Remember, put it up right where it needs to go. Be neat. And then 3 times, hold on. And then we know that it's 3, so we put it up. And then 3 times 15 is 45 minus 0. Can't bring anything else down. So that is our answer. 3, bring up the decimal. So now we have this problem. We will divide normally. 3 goes into 4 one time. Put the 1 in the proper place, just as I did. And then we subtract. 3 times 1 is 3, so 1, bring down the thing. We're just going to pretend the decimal isn't here for this part. So 3 to 15 is 5, so we put the 5 where it needs to go and bring up the decimal. Drop my marker. That is how you divide decimals.